Just as the internet transitioned from wired to Wi-Fi, energy delivery is destined to go wireless. Soon, plugging in your devices or hardwiring fixtures will feel as outdated as dial-up internet. ETI creates wire-free power where it matters. Unlike most solutions that only charge one device at a time, ETI's power zones can safely deliver energy through the air to multiple devices simultaneously. Using magnetic resonance, ETI creates wire-free power zones the size of a desk, or even a room. As devices equipped with our receivers enter the zone, they convert magnetic energy into electricity to power themselves or charge their batteries. Our technology eliminates battery maintenance, reduces hazardous cord clutter, and unlocks new design possibilities. Imagine minimalist devices that are flexible in placement and perpetually powered. Don't think about charging them, they just magically work. ETI was founded by two physicists who reinvented the magnetic resonance technology that makes through-the-air power possible. After 8 years of R&D, we now hold 43 granted patents, along with FCC and CE approvals that clear the way for commercialization. Our leadership team has launched breakthrough electronics at Apple, Fitbit, Cisco, and HP. We're collaborating with global manufacturers to bring wirelessly powered products to computer peripherals, lighting, creative toys, and retail displays. With multiple agreements signed and paid projects underway, ETI's platform approach is opening doors to industries worth billions, without the heavy cost of going it alone. And it's not just device manufacturers that are excited. When YouTube creator DIY Perks used our evaluation kit to build a wire-free computer setup, his video drew over 2.5 million views and 9,000 comments, with fans calling it the coolest thing I've seen on YouTube. That response proves consumers are ready for this future. Invest in ETI, and together we'll set a new standard for wireless power.